In today's video, I'll teach you guys how to fix cameos not showing up on your Snapchat. But before that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss out our new videos. Now let's start. First, open up your Snapchat. Now, if you don't have your cameos showing up, what you can do is you can go to first your profile on the top left, and then this page will open up. Now here you can see under my cameos section, I don't really have any cameos. My face is not showing up there, right? So just click on the setting button right on the top, or you can just click on create cameos right here. But let's go through it from the settings. Now under the settings, you will see a cameos option. Click on that and then click on create cameos selfie. After you do that, you need to put your face under this circle and then just find a good lighting and then click on create cameo. Now after you click on create my cameo, this Snapchat will start creating your cameo and it will say that your cameo is ready, and then you are good to go. So that is all for the video, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and stay tuned.